Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Erica Love Simple Cooking. So today guys, I'm gonna cook some ackee and fried dumpling guys. So welcome guys to all my newcomers, welcome as well. So right here guys, I'm boiling some ackee. I put the water to boil with some salt and then I had the ackee to cook. And right here guys, this is my flour. I made my dough that I'm gonna use to make the dumpling. So this is the dumpling I already made to fry. Back to the ackee guys, ackee still cooking. Here I put some oil in the pot to get it to get hot so I can fry the dumpling guys. So now I'm putting the dumpling into the pot to fry guys. So watch the process guys as I put the dumpling in the hot oil, because the oil have to be hot before you can put the dumpling in, or it's gonna stick in the pot. So here the oil is hot and I'm adding the dumpling in the pot so they could fry. So guys, when you're frying dumpling, don't turn up the stove too high because they will burn. So you turn the stove down low, not for low, but at least medium, so you can get enough heat so the dumpling can soak guys. So that's it guys. So here guys, I cover the dumpling. After the ackee is still cooking guys, and here goes the dumpling now. I'm turning them because now they're brown on one side, so I'm turning them on the other side to get it brown as well. So guys, you have to move your hand fast once the dumplings start to brown, because you don't want them to burn. So here you go guys, I'm turning the dumplings. So guys, here you go guys. So here is my seasoning, some tomato, some onion, some green pepper, and some scallion that I blend up with ginger. And there you go guys, I'm putting the oil in the pot so I can fry up all the seasoning in. There you go guys, I put everything in the hot oil so it could fry. I'm gonna stir. There are the seasoning that I use: black pepper, thyme, Maggie's all-purpose seasoning, allspice, and garlic powder. Those are all the seasoning that I'll be using to cook up my ackee guys. So there you go guys, I'm putting in all the dry seasoning in the fresh seasoning on the stove while they are frying. Once I put everything in, I'm gonna stir it in. I'm adding all my seasoning guys. That's all my dry seasoning. Okay guys. Okay guys, back to the dumpling guys. So now I'm turning the dumplings a second time because I want to make sure they are fully soaked and they're not raw inside. So now I'm turning them a second time. The next time you see me guys, I will put out the dumplings. Guys, you have to turn the dumpling in very fast so they don't burn. Once they start to get brown, there you go guys, dumpling are finished cooking. Back to this is the first seasoning that I'm frying and cooking from the ackee. There you go guys, saute. I'm stirring everything, combining all the powder seasoning into the fresh seasoning vegetables to have the ackee guys. Now that it is cooked down, I'm adding the ackee. Ackee is a kind of food, like, I'm not sure, I think it's kind of food that came from Jamaica, but it grow in Jamaica and other countries. But I know that Jamaica have a lot of ackee and saltfish, which is our national dish in Jamaica. So most Jamaican eat ackee. So there you go guys, I had all the seeds, the ackee that I'm putting up in the vegetable, tomato and all those stuff. And now I'm stirring everything together so that the seasoning and the tomato and sweet pepper and onion and all those stuff that I fry up can combine with the ackee guys. I do not use much salt in this because I'm low sodium, so I don't use a lot of salt. Back to the dumpling guys. There you go guys, that's the final product, my fried dumpling with ackee. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment, thumbs up, like, subscribe, and comment, guys. I appreciate you being here. Continue to watch. Please put your notification bell on so whenever time I upload a video, you will receive it. I really appreciate your support, guys, and God.